Introducing KinetiK, Knauf Insulation's app-based site reporting system that supports compliance by creating an instant digital record of installations by Approved Supafil Installers and provides evidence of compliance with specification as required by the new changes to Part L building regulations.
We're the biggest supplier of insulation into new build homes in the UK.
Data is going to be a massive challenge for people. This is perhaps the most dramatic period of change for housing that we've ever seen.
It's what tools are you investing in, a requirement to show that a good job has been done.
KinetiK provides specification assurance for house builders who choose Supafil. Responding to changing legislation by building on an industry-leading solution.
As an RTM, I can't be on site all the time. We need to ensure that our installers are compliant in what they're installing.
This is where the app can help offer that assurance to both regulators, house builder customers and the end user of that home. Has the right product been installed by a qualified installer?
If we can't prove that to our customers, that is where the difficulties come up.
We've added a unique QR code to every pack of Supafil. Simply use KinetiK to scan each bag as you install it.
It's very simple to use. We've set up with the technician in mind.
I'll just press a button and it all goes. That's it, job done.
KinetiK makes compliance easier, creating an instant digital record of the specific products installed on each plot, enhancing the feedback loop between house builders, Approved Supafil Installers and Knauf Insulation, streamlining record keeping whilst being a platform for deeper data-led collaboration.
It will also detail areas of drop jobs.
If the plot's not ready to go ahead, he can register that, and that is available to us internally immediately.
It enables us to have a digital presence on all of those building plots and to provide additional assurances that we've previously not been able to access.
All part of our total assurance to deliver low-carbon homes through cost-effective, high-performance insulation and comprehensive services to support your business.
We've all got a shared interest to deliver quality homes. This is going to help make sure what is meant to be installed is going to be installed.
We should see a greater consistency in the quality of installations nationally. These digital enhancements are a fundamental part of that.
KinetiK, providing specification assurance for house builders who choose Supafil.